In a world that feels increasingly divided, whether by politics, technology, or personal struggles, the idea of unity may seem like a far-off dream. But science and spirituality tell a different story. Quantum physics has proven the phenomenon of entanglement, where particles remain interconnected regardless of distance, suggesting that the entire universe is an intricate web of connection. Meanwhile, psychologists have found that our need for connection isn't just emotional but biological. Loneliness, according to a 2018 study by Cigna, impacts physical health as severely as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Yet every sunrise over a quiet meadow and every river meeting the sea reminds us that separation is an illusion. The unity we seek is already within us, waiting to be rediscovered. Oneness is not just a lofty spiritual ideal, it's the foundation of a thriving world. Consider the power of community-driven change. During the COVID-19 pandemic, mutual aid networks emerged globally, with neighbors providing food, childcare, and emotional support. These grassroots efforts weren't just heartwarming, they were life-saving. A 2022 study published in Nature Human Behavior highlighted how cooperation during crises leads to better survival outcomes and stronger social bonds. On a larger scale, global collaborations like the Paris Climate Agreement show how unity among nations can address pressing issues like climate change. As Matthew says, "For where 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, there am I in the midst of them." Unity begins with small collective actions, but its ripple effects can transform the world. Forming the Holy Grail of oneness. For centuries, people have searched for the Holy Grail, imagining it as a physical cup with miraculous powers. But what if the Grail isn't an object, but a state of being? When individuals come together in unity, they form a spiritual vessel capable of holding and channeling divine energy. Research on collective intelligence, published in Science, demonstrates that diverse groups consistently outperform even the smartest individuals when working toward a shared goal. A striking example is the rapid global response to the COVID-19 crisis, where scientists and researchers from over 150 countries collaborated to develop vaccines in record time. Similarly, spiritual unity creates a chalice that amplifies divine wisdom, love, and creativity. Just as Jesus gathered disciples to form a unified vision, we too can create a grail that uplifts the world. Overcoming the past and the ego. 2,000 years ago, even the disciples of Jesus struggled with ego and division, highlighting a timeless human challenge. The ego thrives on separation, comparison, and fear, a phenomenon that modern neuroscience attributes to the brain's default mode network. This network, which fosters self-referential thinking, can perpetuate feelings of isolation and conflict. However, studies from Yale University show that mindfulness meditation significantly reduces DMN activity, fostering greater empathy and connection. Overcoming the ego isn't about denying individuality. It's about transcending the illusion of me versus them. History offers countless examples, from Gandhi's peaceful resistance to Mandela's reconciliation efforts, showing how ego transcendence can heal even the deepest divides. Individuality within oneness. Unity doesn't mean losing our individuality. Rather, it means celebrating it within a greater whole. Imagine a symphony where every instrument contributes its distinct sound to create a harmonious masterpiece. This principle isn't just poetic, it's practical. Research from the Harvard Business Review shows that organizations with diverse teams are 36% more likely to innovate and 87% better at decision-making. Nature echoes this truth. Ecosystems thrive on biodiversity, where each species plays a unique role in maintaining balance. When we recognize that each person is a unique expression of the divine, we shift from seeing differences as obstacles to viewing them as opportunities for collaboration and growth. This harmony of individuality within unity is what creates true strength. The abundant life spreading through oneness. The abundant life isn't about individual wealth or material success. It's about creating a world where everyone has access to opportunities, resources, and joy. Studies from the World Happiness Report consistently reveal that nations prioritizing equality and social cohesion rank highest in happiness. Denmark, for example, combines strong social safety nets with policies promoting work-life balance, resulting in high levels of satisfaction and mental health. On a local scale, community initiatives like time banking, where individuals trade skills and services without money, foster a sense of abundance and interdependence. Every act of generosity, no matter how small, adds to this ripple effect. When we choose to share, collaborate, and uplift others, we multiply abundance and create a world where prosperity flows freely. A call to action. Close your eyes and imagine standing in a circle, hands joined with people from all walks of life. Feel the warmth of connection, the energy flowing through you as part of a greater whole. This isn't just symbolic, it's scientifically supported. The Global Consciousness Project, based at Princeton University, has recorded shifts in collective human intention during major global events, suggesting that our thoughts and actions are deeply interconnected. Whether through prayer, meditation, or small daily gestures, your contributions to unity matter. Start small. Share a meal with someone in need, volunteer for a local cause, or simply smile at a stranger. Each action adds to the circle of light, amplifying the collective energy that can change the world. The Age of Enlightenment. We are entering a transformative era, the Aquarian Age, marked by the convergence of technological innovation and spiritual awakening. Over 5 billion people are now connected via the internet, creating unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and learning. Movements like Fridays for Future, driven by young activists like Greta Thunberg, demonstrate how individuals can ignite global change. Similarly, initiatives like Earth Hour, which unites millions in symbolic action for the planet, show the power of collective intention. As humanity embraces this new age, the choice before us is clear. Will we use our interconnectedness to divide or to unite? Every small act of kindness, every effort to collaborate, adds to the growing light that is illuminating our shared future. Conclusion: let your light shine. The light within you is not meant to be hidden. It's a gift to the world, a spark of divine creativity and purpose. When you let your light shine, especially in unity with others, it becomes a beacon of hope and transformation. Imagine a world where every action, no matter how small, contributes to a tapestry of compassion, creativity, and abundance. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting to unfold. So go forth, share your gifts, and know that in unity, we can bridge heaven and earth. Together, we can create a world where the abundant life isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Thank you for joining us on this journey of unity, individuality, and abundance. If this message resonated with you, let your light shine even further. Hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a little reminder of how powerful we are when we come together. Until next time, stay connected, stay inspired, and keep creating harmony in your corner of the world. Like, subscribe, and share the light.